Everybody, Mr. Mac here. It's May 10th, 2020, Sunday. Thanks for joining me today. I asked many of you guys if you've been exercising lately. As you know, I'm a runner, not much of a swimmer, but trying to improve. So, you guys trying anything new out there? Anything different? Getting out and running a little bit further? Trying to get out on the bike? What is that? Jean-Claude Van Damme? Is that really you?
No.
Are you here to help me fight the monster?
Not on your life.
Are you really better than Steven Seagal?
No!
If you're not gonna help me, then get out of my way. What? Oh my gosh! Made it.
You have failed me for the last time.
Darth Vader?
Great job.
Oh wow, you're still here. That's impressive. I thought I would have lost you at some point during the ridiculous green screen intro. Even more ridiculous was me running around, screaming, talking to nobody, punching air, and throwing myself into the lake. So, yeah. Now, there was a character in the intro that maybe you've never seen before, and I thought maybe I would introduce you to him. He started his acting debut in 1977 and did several movies subsequently. He is famous for lines such as, "Be careful not to choke on your aspirations," "I am your father," and "You don't know the power of the dark side." This is Darth Vader, and I recommend you checking out some of his movies. Of course, the other character is a guy called Jean-Claude Van Damme, who debuted in the late 80s, early 90s as a martial arts action star. He did several movies such as Kickboxer, Bloodsport, and Double Dragon, where he had a twin brother, which was just himself twice. And he is famous for lines such as, he could do a pretty sweet spin split kick where he would hit a bad guy with his pinky toe, but it was pretty impressive. Don't bother with these movies though. Have you ever seen Groundhog Day? So let's talk about the learning plan for this week. If you have made it this far and you're watching these videos, I am sure you are on track with all the work that you need to be doing, and I shouldn't really be talking to you. However, if you are not on track, I will be emailing you at the end of the work week, telling you what assignments you need to make up. So this is the last week of the quarter where we have assignments for you guys to do. Next week will be a makeup week, so there will be no new assignments posted, and it's just an opportunity for you guys to catch up on work that you may have missed. So let's do a little Where in the World. So last week's Where in the World took us to the western United States to a beautiful national park called Great Sand Dunes National Park in Colorado. I got 2 responses this week. One was from a student who guessed Pink Sand Dunes out in Utah. That's pretty good. They're very similar parks, but the correct guess goes to Mr. Malis. Well done, Mr. Malis. Let's check out this week's Where in the World. Slightly more wild, and we're on a different continent. so go ahead and email me those guesses. I know some of you know where this is. So if you're watching this video and you know where it is, go ahead and shoot me a guess. If you're not watching this video, go ahead and shoot me a guess anyway. No other segment today. Let's pick it up next week on Sunday. Perhaps I will do a blooper best of reel, because you know your favorite TV shows, when they feel like taking a break and they don't want to do anything creative, they just do this bogus montage of work that they've already done, and they cut it up and they put it together and they call it a new show. So let's give that a shot. This wetsuit's hot. Oh my goodness.